back to my channel. Hi, I'm Yogita, aka the Swing Soul, and after a very long time, I'm back with a haul video, which is a Nykaa haul. So this won't be a very huge haul, but I have few skincare and makeup products which I'm going to share with you. And now, without further ado, let's move on to the video. So the first thing that I'm going to share with you all is a skincare product from a very known brand, Mamaearth. So this is the Mamaearth Charcoal Face Scrub with charcoal and walnut for deep exfoliation. And I have used this face scrub twice or thrice, and I can tell this is a really nice face scrub. Like this is not too harsh or not too mild. Like there are face scrubs जो बहुत harsh होते हैं आपकी skin में, कुछ होते हैं जो बहुत mild होते हैं. But this is the perfect face scrub and also it smells really good. Like इसकी smell कोई ज़्यादा strong भी नहीं है. And I would say this is one of the best face scrubs I've used so far. Like I really love this, and Mamaearth products are paraben and SLS free, and they are dermatologically tested, and this is for normal and oily skin, and this works really nice for my skin. Like my skin is combination skin, so I really like this one. The next one I got are these LAT nail colors or nail paints or nail pops. So I got 3 of them, and the first one is in the shade 142. So this is kind of brown shade, and I really like LAT ka color range of nail paints because they have so many options to choose from, and I almost have all the colors of LAT nail paints, and this is one of them in the shade 142. I have tried this on one of my nail and it looks really nice. Like this is such a beautiful shade. So the next one is the white shade, which is in the number 133. So I got this because I really wanted a white nail paint to apply on my nails. Also because I will mix this nail paint with other colors to get a new and different color, because that's what I do. I mix 2 of my nail paints and form a very different color which looks good. And also tell me if you do this trick to have more nail paint or more color. So the third nail color is this purple color. Like this is such a beautiful color, which is in the number 141. This is such a pyara rang. I really love this, and this is not matte. This is a glossy nail paint because I'm done with matte nail paints. Now I'm into glossy and shimmer nail paints. So this is a glossy purple nail paint, and I really like this. There was an offer going on L18 products. I got this L18 lipstick for free. So this is in the shade Berry Bestie, and this is how it looks. This is a really nice color, very nice shade. But I already have a lipstick similar to this. Like I have Faces Canada lipstick, which has a similar shade. Like they are just the same. Like there's 1 or 2% difference because this is matte and this is glossy, but they have the same shade, and I don't know which one I will use because I haven't even used this one, and now I have 2 same shades. Okay, so the next product is again a skincare product. Like I have mostly skincare products in this haul. So next thing is Jiva ka Kesar Uttan face pack. So I haven't used this till now, but I know Jiva ke products are really nice and they are authentic Ayurveda. So this one will be a good product, and also this smells so amazing. Like I haven't used this yet, but ये बस ऐसे इसकी ट्यूब बंद रहती है and इसमें इतनी अच्छी smell आती है. It smells so good. Like I can tell you. So in summers I usually use tea tree and neem face packs. So I got this around the November time because winters are just here, and I can switch from neem and tea tree face packs to Kesar and Uttan face pack, and I will use it and let you know on my Insta story how this worked for me. So next what I got is a very cute and pretty lipstick. So this is the Exposed lipstick by In Color, and this is a color change lipstick, and this is how it looks. This is such a beautiful lipstick, and this is not useless because it's transparent. It changes color to a very pretty pinkish color. Also this lipstick smells so good. Like it has the exact same smell of the candy lipstick जो हम बचपन में खाते भी थे और लगाते भी थे. It exactly smells like that. And also I got this lipstick for such a cheap price. Like guess किस price से मैंने इसको लिया होगा. I don't remember the exact price, but I got this for around 160 or 170 rupees, and that price for this lipstick is an absolute steal to me. Also, all the links of the products will be in the description box below, so you can go and check them out. So moving forward, I have yet another skincare product, which is the Biotique Spot Correcting Anti-Acne Face Pack for oily and acne prone skin. So ये product खुद से ही कह रहा है कि मेरे लिए बना है, तो मैंने इसको ले लिया. So this is not the first time I've got this. I bought this last year also, and I used it. It worked fine on me because I had severe acne at that time, and it worked fine. And I bought this again because now my skin is acting up again, and I hope this works good फिर से. So this छोटी सी डिब्बी is for 200 rupees, and this is not a cosmetic product. It's already mentioned here, and this is not a full face pack. This is a spot correcting face pack. That means you have to apply this only on the affected areas, and here it's mentioned that you should use it at cleansed skin only at morning and evening until your skin is clear. But I use it at night before going to sleep, and I apply it for 15 to 20 minutes, and then I wash it off. So if you have acne prone skin, or you have severe or active acne, I think you can use this one. You can give it a try. So the next thing is my favorite of this entire haul, which is this Nicka K birthday cake eyeshadow palette. Like, I love this one, and I was waiting for this one for a very long time. This was in my cart for months, and whenever I had to order something, ये हमेशा out of stock होता था. But this time when I was ordering, I saw this in stock, and I was so happy that finally I am going to get this. And I really like this eyeshadow palette. Like, it has such bright and happy colors, and it has shimmer shades as well and other matte shades as well, and I really like this one. This is such an amazing eyeshadow palette. So the next thing is this Blue Heaven lip balm in cocoa butter flavor. So this is how it looks, and this smells so good. Like, I love this. I've been using this for a week, and it does what it says. Like, it is a nourishing lip balm, and I really like it. And it is for 85 rupees, and 85 rupees means this lip balm is actually bomb. So the next thing is this Nykaa Buff Master Silicone Brush Cleaner. So this is in the shape of a heart, and I got this orange color. So this has different designs to clean the brushes. So if you use brushes, you should have a brush cleaner. And this is a silicone brush cleaner, and it does its work nicely. Like, it has one job to do, which is clean brushes, and it does it properly. So I don't use many brushes. I don't use brushes for my eye makeup. I just use a kabuki brush, and it's very easy to clean a brush with this one. So I really like this. Last two products are both from M Caffeine. So one is the M Caffeine Naked and Raw Coffee Face Wash. This is coffee with white water lily, and this is for normal to oily skin. So I haven't used this yet, but I have used other M Caffeine products. Like, I've used the body butter, they have body scrub, and the face pack. So I know the M Caffeine products are really good because I loved all three of them, and I wanted to give this one a try. Also because this smells amazing. Like, I know M Caffeine products actually smell good, and this smells really nice. So the second thing is the M Caffeine Naked and Raw Coffee Hand Cream. So this is same as the face wash, and this smells exactly the same as the face wash. So I've never used a hand cream before, but I wanted to try one, and also my hands need a hand cream more than ever now because they are getting quite dry, and I think this can help me out with that. So this is it for today, guys. I really hope you like this video, and do let me know in the comment section below which is the product you are going to try after watching this haul. And if you're new to this channel, do subscribe to my channel, like and share this video, and I'll meet you with my next video. Tab tak ke liye